everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and if you don't know me yet, let me introduce myself. I'm Vaikhari Pujari. I'm a stylist and an entrepreneur, and I make videos about life of stylists, some entrepreneurship related videos and anything else that you might find useful. Today's video is from the useful category. I've made 2 haul videos before this and both of them have received a lot of love from you guys. So I realized you find these things useful. Shein hauls you must have seen before, but I myself never saw a Shein basics haul, and as a stylist I advise to all my clients that basics is the key to getting a better wardrobe, a more stylish wardrobe. So I've got you the same. I bring videos to you every week, so if you're new here, please subscribe. Also, the pimple is new if you noticed, and I'm actually quite happy with that, because this is my 3rd or 4th pimple probably over the last 6 months, which has never happened before. I have made a skincare video on my channel for how I got this transformation. If you want to see that, go check it out. I'll also leave a link in the description. Before that, let me also tell you, none of these pieces I've bought recently. Even before lockdown, these are something that I've collected over past 2 years. So I'll be leaving all the links in the description below. But if some of those are out of stock, or if you want any alternative options for those, please DM me on Instagram and I'll be able to help you there. Okay, while editing I realized that the intro is getting a little bit longer and there's 2 more minutes of GAN coming up your way about how to style basics for your body type and which all are the basics that you should have in your wardrobe. So if you want to skip that part and jump to the haul, I'll leave a time mark here. If you are looking forward to change your style or just make it better for yourself, let me first of all tell you, figure out what suits you the best. For example, for my body type, I know I have broader shoulders, so anything that has very close neck or mid-length sleeves doesn't look good on me. So all the basic pieces that I have are mostly either sleeveless or full-length sleeves, or something that has a very open neckline so that my shoulders don't look very broad. If you're wondering what type of basics will suit you, again DM me on Instagram. I advise all of my clients based on their body types. So if you want to get started on getting to know how to style your body type better, feel free to DM me on Instagram at any time. I'm going to be showing a lot of basics in this haul and you don't need to have all of them. I'm going to be explaining just 4 types of basics that you need. First of all, I would like to split them into 2 categories. First being black, second being white. And in both of those categories, we can split them in 2 types. First being casuals and second being the dressier ones. Now the basic difference between casuals and dressier ones you can identify first of all with the material and second of all the style of it. The material is more on the cotton side can be considered as casual, while the material that is more satiny can be considered as more dressier or evening sort of a type. In general, black is the more of an evening color, but if you want to go with white as well, that can work just as good. Just make sure to choose the right material and the right style, or you can always go with full white also. That can be a perfect evening option. Now that we are done with the basics of basics, let's get into the video. Let's start with the white basics in casual category. The first one that I have here is not really a basic because it has a print on it, but this is something that goes with almost everything, so I love that about that. This material is the softest material I have ever worn in my life. It is actually very close to the hosiery material, but since the material is actually never mentioned properly on the website or on the app, it is almost always hit or miss with Shein clothes. What you can do is see how the material falls on the model who's wearing it. If it is kind of loose and in the zoomed in pictures, if you don't see any much of a texture on it, it is particularly a softer material. I would absolutely give this one a 5 on 5. The second white basic which is in the casual category is this top. I actually got this top as a beach wear since I don't actually wear this style in my regular life, but since I had to re-wear it, I wear it with some kind of camisoles inside. It looks absolutely amazing with neons. The material is actually very soft. The only kind of a problem that it is quite a bit of thin, so you have to go with black or nude underwear for this one. For the material of Shein tops, for almost all of them, when it is mentioned as ribbed in the description of the top, it's mostly always a cotton blend kind of a material, except for the times when it has lettuce trim in the description along with the ribbed. In that case, it comes out to be polyester mostly. For the material and for the fit, it's absolutely again a 5 on 5. The next white top is something between a casual wear and an evening wear, but I prefer to wear it as a casual wear though. Again, this is one of the tops which was mentioned as ribbed in the description. It came out to be a cotton blend sort of a material. It's soft and it fits great as well. The most problematic part about buying whites online is the transparency issue. This one is quite okay in that department. If you go with the right underwear, you will be absolutely fine. I love the fitting of this top and the material as well. It's quite warm if you want to wear it in winter as well, so I'll absolutely give it a 5 on 5. The next top is quite similar to the last one that you saw. The major difference is the material. This one I had bought before the last one that you saw. This is more of a polyester blend. I bought this for the neckline that it has. I absolutely loved it and I love the fit on me as well. The only problem with this thing that the material is not that breathable, and once you moved a little bit or raise your hands or something like that, the neckline absolutely gets messed up, so you have to keep a watch on that. Well, I'm gonna give this one a 3.5 out of 5. Moving on to the black basics and the casual ones. First of all, this is one of the first buys of mine out of Shein and I absolutely love the material of this. The bows on the shoulder and the buttons are all openable, so I love how versatile this top is. So I'm absolutely gonna give it a 5 on 5. The next piece is absolutely important if you are building up your basics. It's a bodysuit. Now while ordering from Shein, I was not quite sure of how it's gonna fit because torso length differs from person to person. It is surprisingly way more comfortable than I imagined it to be. So if you are someone who loves to dance, this is the best option for you because whatever you do, it just doesn't move. Just find a comfortable style for you and get one now. I'm gonna give this one a 4 on 5 because I think the neckline could be a little more flattering. The next piece of black basic is more of an evening type. It's just like a bandeau with spaghetti straps. It's a bit too tiny for my taste, so I don't wear it as a top, but it's great if you want to wear it inside jackets as just a basic piece. Please don't get confused if it looks different. I'm wearing the top with a bralette because my family watches all my videos, but if you want to see how just the top looks, here's a close-up shot for you. I must say the design of the top is really good because you can see like a bandeau, it's not straight throughout. It's a little bit higher in the front portion and flatter and more straight on the back. If the top hadn't been little too tight, I would have given it a 5 on 5. But just for the fit being a little tight, I'm gonna give it a 4 on 5. The last piece of the top where I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this one because it fits absolutely amazing and it looks so trendy, so chic. But the most problematic part is the material of this one. It is a very polyestery materials. I absolutely can't stand it in summer. If you see this detail or notice this word lettuce trim anywhere on Shein, you can just assume that it's going to be a polyester material. This is a material that I was referring to before as ribbed with that lettuce trim. A black or white turtleneck or mock neck is a very important piece of your basics wardrobe. I'm gonna give this one a 3 on 5 just because I actually can't stand the material of this one. Moving on to the bottom wear in basics, I haven't got that many bottom wear from Shein just because I feel they are a little trickier to fit than the top wear. This is one of my first bottom wear buys from Shein, that too in denim. I was actually pleasantly surprised to see how well it fits. It is a little bit tight on me, but the way the waist fits and it has a triangular shape and it's very high-waisted. I love all of the details about that. I'm gonna give this one a 4 on 5 and leave this clip short because my family might be watching. Actually, I don't know how it makes sense that I showed this much of a clip even, but yeah, it's okay. Let's go to the next one. The last item from this haul and one of my most favorite basic pieces, it's just a black skirt. It's again one of those ripped kinds, so it is cotton blend. It fits good. I would say I have a little bit of problem with the waistline. It fits a little bit looser, but I can just get it altered at any point of time. For the price that it has, it was absolutely some 300 rupees or something. For that, it is the most amazing piece of basics that I own. I recommend you have it too. I'm gonna give this one a 5 on 5. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and share with your friends. Other basics that I haven't included in this video because those are not bought out of Shein and this had to be a Shein haul. So if you want to see more basics and tips on how to style them, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll make a separate video for you. I'll see you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye.